We are back, baby, in the land of freedom. First event of the season, the headquarters of freedom, the Freedom Factory. Got all our shit. Ready to go. Let's go. Alright, we got the team here today. While everyone else is down in Nashville, we're holding it down at the Freedom Factory. So we start things off with a driver briefing over at the Nitto tent. Once we're all briefed, know the game plan, it's time to get the cars ready. This is the first event that Clickbait has done in nearly 6 months. Try to go over every single little part, make sure this thing's going to be perfect and ready to run. Now you might be asking yourself, the pits don't look that busy. What's going on? There's another event up in Nashville, Tennessee with a $20,000 payday. That's where Jack and pretty much every other Aussie is. I'm holding it down here with my boy Archie. We're the only blown cars here this weekend at the Freedom Factory, so we gotta hold it down for the big dogs. Alright, so they're using the Summernats layout for this. So, good run in. I don't know if you can see it, just here where it goes from asphalt to concrete. There's a little dip as it goes down, so should give you a little boost. But big speed. Go right hand down. See how she goes. This is a big pad. I fucking love big pads. They literally, this must be from Summernats playlist. When you go to Summernats Australia, you just hear this song 24/7. Oh, look at that. The countdown. It's the wagon. Nice. Huge pad. Best pad. And I'm pretty sure TP is actually... Yeah, TP's driving today as well. So that's fucking cool. Big pad. Huge pad, which is awesome. Nice and primed after Summernats. I guess once all the classes have run, it should be pretty primed too, but nice and sticky. Huge pad. This is going to be great. Now they put the line on this side at a diagonal. So if you come to hit this corner to get deep, if your bumper, they're doing it like Australia too, this is an imaginary wall. So if your bumper crosses this line, that's a DQ. So definitely going to be interesting there. Because instead of following like you'd think there, so you've got pretty much this concrete line. Yeah, just don't go deep in that corner. So we'll see how it goes. I saw. So they're copying the way Summernats, they must have liked the way Summernats did everything here, because they're copying everything the way that they did it there. They've changed the way everything's set up now, which is good. It's efficient. Got open class first, then rivals, then pro. So there's not that many cars here today, so it's probably going to go relatively quick, which is good. Quick day is a good day. Looking forward to it. There's some good guys here in the open class. It's going to be freaking entertaining. Shout out to the boys. Vince cooking up a fucking food. All right, we've pretty much just got to wait for the classes to run through, and then it's us. Danny, what's your mid-game report?
We're going to win.
Hell yeah.
100%.
Hell yeah. That's the attitude we need. Let's go. When are you going out?
What's that?
When do you go out?
Hopefully this group here. Whatever the Leaders and Friends group is.
I think they mixed it with us. Okay. Alrighty, we're lined up to go out. Mr. TP's in our class now.
But yeah.
Ready to play with the big boys?
Not really.
Let's go. All right, TP's up now. Hopefully he doesn't put coolant all over the pad. Yeah.
Oh my goodness! Way too much grip.
Oh shit! What the hell was the fire?
Holy smokes! There's an actual madman! Yeah, one of them's broke. One of them's broke.
Damn.
Don't be a bitch, I like that.
Yeah.
Seatbelt.
Seatbelts. running out of fuel.
That's what it sounded like.
Oh yeah, look how slow that's pumping through.
Yeah. Where's the filter?
So you got
under the car.
You
back
got
there.
clogged filter probably.
Yeah, or a dying fuel pump.
That could be.
Yeah.
I mean, how long's it been since you had any real fuel system issues?
Never.
Oh, there you go. Hey, do you know how much I was saying?
As soon as it started falling on its face, I was like, "Don't you fucking dare!"
I was saying to Ray from Pizza Planet, I was saying you should go pro boosted, because I was like, Henchy's been over here for like 3 years, and I haven't seen him do shit to this car. It's coming. Like something's gonna give up.
Well, good thing it didn't fucking blow up.
Yeah, no, thank God. Yeah. That would suck. What would you do in that case? Find something to build over here?
Yeah.
Or ship one from over there?
No, I'd build it here. So either my rear fuel pump is going bad, or the filter's clogged. Because yeah, it was pretty much just acting like it was out of fuel. And you look at the fuel feed into the header tank, and it's just trickling out. So good thing we didn't lean it out and blow it up. So that's a win. But sucks. Got one tire off. I stopped for a second because I knew what it was. I knew that it was running out of fuel. So I stopped for a second to try and let that header tank fill up, and it still just didn't want to. Maybe I should have stayed out there and finished that tire off, but better safe than sorry. It'll drive back in the trailer. We're winning. I want some fucking crazy shit, boy!
Oh yeah, I'm gonna go out there and kill it.
Hell yeah! But don't actually kill, not it, kill it, not it. Bro, you're getting fucking good. You are getting good. That was awesome, yeah. Yeah, it looks good. It's getting better and better. That's Speedy Cop. He's got the boat. Or if you don't know him from the boat, he's got the plane. Alright, Archie's holding it down for the other blown cars. Everyone else is at Nashville, so it's only us here. We're holding it down for the blown cars. Hopefully his goes strong. He should kill it. Archie's been killing it lately. This could be the winning run right here. Holy shit! That was fucking insane. That was killer. Damn, Archie.
I forgot to film it, but luckily our boy Archie held it down for us and took home the well-deserved bald eagle. Turns out that our issue was literally just a screen inside the fuel pump itself that had just been clogged over time. Pulled the screen out, back to being perfect.
Still coming home with some money. Two of the Cletus crew placed above me, so it pays down. They don't take money, so still taking money home. Thankfully, it's always better when the car lets you down. It wasn't your fuck up, so still stoked for that. Car's gonna drive in the trailer. Happy days. So, that little weak stream ain't enough to party. Normally, it hits against this back wall, and it's barely dribbling in. So yeah, it's either most likely filter or the pump. Damn, look at that. Rattled that loose. I literally tightened all those the other day. Crazy what this thing vibrates off.